man.
Uh-huh.
Alright, I'm about to try a dirt bike for the first time. I'm a little nervous. I've never even started it before. It's a tiny little guy, but nevertheless, my first time ever. I'm 26 years old, so we'll see what happens. I don't know if I'll probably stall. If I don't stall, we'll probably go down there and try to turn and then fall. So we'll see what happens. Let me try to start it first.
Hopefully we can get it on camera at least.
So far, so good.
How's it feel?
Good, good. I'm a little shaky, but actually that wasn't so bad at all. So I think I'm ready for a bigger dirt bike and some backflips and that sort of thing. So watch out, Vegan and Pastrana. I think I'm ready.